Hi, my name is Kathy, and today I will be walking you through an activity on how to draw an isosceles hexagon. So for this activity, we're going to need a compass, a pencil, and an eraser if necessary, and then a straight edge. So a straight edge could be a ruler or essentially anything that you can draw a straight line with. We're not going to be using any measurements at all with this construction. And then for recording purposes only, I'm going to be using a marker to trace because it is a little difficult to see my pencil writing and drawings on the paper. Okay, so before we begin the construction, I would like to define the properties of an isosceles hexagon. So an isosceles hexagon is a six-sided shape with the same exact measurements or congruent lengths. So congruent means same. So the same exact lengths. And there are 6 angles inside of the hexagon, and every angle that is inside of the hexagon is 120 degrees. So the sum of the interior angles is 720 degrees. So interior angles means all of the angles inside of the hexagon. So it is also made up of 6 equilateral triangles, and the central angle is 360 degrees. So central angle is the center angle of the hexagon. So we're going to begin the construction. So take your straight edge and your pencil and create a line segment that we're going to call AB. And line AB is going to be the diameter of the circle that we're going to create with our compass next. So let's label these. So this is A and this is B. So I'm going to take the marker and trace the line that I just created and the label as well. So this is A and this is B. It doesn't look straight, but once I'm done with the construction, I'll bring it closer so you can see that it is straight, and then we can examine the construction together. So after we created the line segment AB, we're going to open our compass, take the compass, and create a circle and use the line segment AB as the diameter. So we're going to take the compass and then create a circle. And I will trace this as well after so you can see the circle that we created. Okay, so I created the circle and here's my marker. Okay, that's half of the circle. And let me trace the other half. And we're going to keep the compass's measurement the same throughout the entire construction because we are making an isosceles hexagon. We want to make sure that it stays the same. So after that, we're going to go to point A right here and create one arc that intersects the circle. So here's the first arc. And then we'll go to point B and create a second arc that intersects the circle. Okay, here is the second arc. And let me take my marker to trace that. So here's my first arc. And here is my second arc. Okay. And then we are going to label the points or intersections. Intersections basically means the points that the arc crosses the circle. So we're going to name the intersections C, D, E, and F. So this one is going to be C. This one is going to be D. And this one is going to be E. And this one is going to be F. And let me rewrite that. So this is C, this is D, this is F, and this is E. Okay. And after we have labeled these points, we're going to take our straight edge again and our pencil and then connect the points. So we're basically going to connect a dot. So we're going to connect C and E first, right here, create a line, and then E and B right here, create another line, B and F right here, another line, D and F, D and A, this, and A and C. So it's right here. And we have our hexagon, but let me go ahead and trace this for you so you can see, and then I'll bring it close as well. So here's lines C and E, E and B, B and F, D and F, A and D, and A and C. So let me bring this close to you. We have a isosceles and isosceles hexagon. Congratulations. Okay, so let's double check that this is correct. So as a review, how many sides does an isosceles hexagon have? 6. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then how many angles does the hexagon have? Yes, 6. So it has the same number of sides and angles. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So by definition, we have drawn an isosceles hexagon. Thank you.